How to make thumbnail in 3 minutes using AI.
What's up, tech lovers? You've landed at Next Gen Geeks, your next destination for all things tech and beyond. Let's start.
First, go to browser and search ChatGPT. Add your image. What type of image do you need? I choose this images. This photo downloaded from YouTube. Now write in search box, give me prompt this image to make an image like this. If you need color, any combination, you type this. Then press enter. Copy the prompt. Now go to new browser and search outperform.ai. Then click on search bar and paste the prompt here. Select size and select magic prompt on and select auto color. And click on generate button. It takes some few minutes to generate, but not too much. Now this is the moment you see magic. This AI give you for unique and attractive thumbnail for you. And then you choose your favorite one. This first one is give AI and second one is make designer. I think without take any risk, the AI thumbnail is best. But you need some better quality, you have to go pay version. That's enough for today. If this video is of any use to you, please subscribe and support.